Good morning, this is Bob from Chris and Bob's Adventure Channel. We're doing the Sierra Buttes today, all the way up to the fire lookout. And we have a guest today, Shelby. This will be her first time climbing to the top of the buttes. I've done this hike well over 10 times and it never ever gets old. The views from the top today, from the clear day like today, should be absolutely fantastic. What do you guys think so far?
Beautiful!
Pretty amazing.
I would agree, look at that view.
My lungs are recovered.
Trailside interviews, what do you think so far?
It's awesome. I'm exhausted. I'm having a great time.
So we're on the final approach. It's absolutely incredible. Couldn't have asked for a better day. Amazing.
It's so fun.
Wow.
Best day ever, huh?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So this might be Bob and Shelby's last day. They are obviously high from the climb and are going to climb out to the edge out there, which I think is absolutely foolhardy, dangerous, and yeah. So be careful. Remember how many people we know that have died taking selfies, Bob? Well, how many have we heard of? Yeah, but we've read about them. Yeah, I would. A strong gust of wind. You're a nut.
Nervous actually, because I don't take any risks.
Gosh.
Let's see what it looks like over that edge there.
Wow. Okay, come on back.
It's definitely good.
Yes, I agree with you.
Come on, Chris. We're waiting for you.
Okay, come on back. Yeah. We'll be here all day.
So what do you think?
It's absolutely awesome, beautiful, breathtaking.
I would agree.